Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free.
Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia home kitchen. In this video I will show you how to prepare Bhuna Prawn Khichri easily at home. For this, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Now take some prawns smeared with turmeric and some salt. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. And take them out. Now in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of, fry them a little, and now add 2 cups of dal and rice, 1 cups each. Fry them a little for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, add some veggies of your choice. I am adding 1 cup of chopped beans, some chopped potatoes and some chopped cabbage. Mix all of them together and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder and some coriander powder around half teaspoon. Mix again and fry all of them together for another 6 to 7 minutes. Finally add 4 cups of water. The water ratio should be 1:2. If you are using 1 cup of rice and dal, then you should add 2 cups of water. Give a good mix and add some salt to taste. Mix again and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, give a quick mix and add the fried prawns. Mix again. Now switch off the flame and cover the pan and let it sit for another 5 minutes. That's it. Bhuna Prawn Khichri is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home and let me know your suggestions in the comment section below. See you soon. Happy eating!